So, no detox is complete without an emotional detox. And research actually shows that trauma increases systemic inflammation, blocking your detox ability at a deep cellular level. And don't even get us started with epigenetics. If you've ever tried to detox but felt blocked, heavy, stuck, it may not just be physical. It might be mental
Hi,
or
if
even
you're new to my
emotional. Channel, welcome. My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor with over 20 years of experience and 7 degrees in my field. And in this series, I'm breaking down the real science behind detoxification so you can stop guessing and start supporting your body. So, all right, let's dive in. Emotional detox actually involves releasing old grief, anger, resentment, shame, addressing stored trauma, and even healing and re regulating your nervous system. Your emotions actually affect so much more than just your body. It affects your biochemistry, it affects your mood, it affects everything. And so, unresolved trauma elevates the cortisol, impairs digestion, and even slows your detox pathways. And bioenergetically, it can bog down and restrict all your different meridian systems. So, like as a for instance, if you hold on to a lot of resentment or anger from unprocessed emotions or stuffing down what you're communicating, then what can happen is your liver meridian can be affected, and then thus digestion, assimilation, the list goes on and on and on. So here's some of the tools that I practice. So somatic journaling, breath work, mirror work, inner child work, forgiveness, gratitude practices. I really focus on working at acknowledging, validating my emotions. EFT is really great for that. If you feel like you are kind of flatlined with emotions, or if you feel like you're just all over the place with emotions. And so it's also, detox is not just a physical experience. It's about detoxing your heart, detoxing your grief. And what's amazing is that the body will follow with ease. And that's what I love about a holistic lifestyle and a holistic practice. It's not about pushing or forcing or making anything happen. It's really about honoring your system and really listening. So if this resonates with you and you're ready to go deeper, join me inside Intro to Holistic Medicine 2. Right now, if you have not done Intro to Holistic Medicine 1, it's on a BOGO, so you can buy one, get one free, and you'll get step-by-step tools, live support, and app-based lessons, because Intro to Holistic Medicine 1 is all about nutrition. Intro to Holistic Medicine 2, which we're in right now, is all about detoxification and elimination. So they're a marriage made in heaven. So if you're interested, tap the link in the bio to learn more.